Just brushing my eyebrows. And that's what I like to do, is brush them eyebrows until they're brushed no more. Hey, it's your girl Ali Markella and I'm coming back with another video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I do my eye makeup, also feet Prewtie Pumpkin. Prewtie Pumpkin is a fashion store online on ST and they're currently selling facial masks, and the ones that I got given are silk. This will be my first time having one of their silk face masks. So Prewtie Pumpkin sent me 3 facial masks. I've got a pink one, black one, and I've got a baby blue one. So I'll be doing my eye makeup today and just showing you how I, apply my eye makeup to go out in my mask. How do you all feel about, people not wearing their mask? To be honest, like, some people are exempt as well of wearing a mask, and that's fine. Sometimes people forget their mask at home, etc. I don't know the life story, but I'm quite okay. I see someone not wearing a mask. It's just that if you cough or sneeze, you better cover your mouth.
Coronavirus! I'm telling you, it's real! It's getting real! Woo!
And that's on denim, Why can't I find my eyebrow pencil? If you cough or sneeze, you better cover your mouth with something, because people are gonna be looking at you like, didn't Boris tell you to wear a mask? And you want to be spreading. Anyways, how can someone still find you attractive with your mask on? Like, you can't even see my face. I've had attention in my mask and I find it really weird, but maybe it's the eyes. Like, I've spoken to a few people about it, and then they said, like, maybe it's the eyes or whatever. You can tell by the eyes. Imagine the person takes off their mask and maybe the eyes are your type, but they're not your type. So I just find it really weird, but each to their own. So I'm just brushing my eyebrows. And that's what I like to do, is brush them eyebrows until they're brushed no more. I have my moments where I proper go in on doing makeup, and then, but I like subtle, I don't like heavy makeup anyway. But yeah, as I'm saying, I have moments where I go in on my makeup, like I actually take my time. Anyway, you guys know I always rock the Rox palette by Revolution. It's gonna die out soon. I mean, it's already falling to pieces, honey. I need to get myself a new one. I'll go with a peach today. So this one here, next to the yellow, called, oh, it's upside down. I think it's called Firework. This one, Firework. Yeah. So I'll go with Firework. Today, I will lift up my... So it just reminded me of that song. I don't know why. Don't ask questions, but it just did. Anyways, applying the firework, because the fire better work. And then I'll go in and use the Yes. It's actually called Yes with an exclamation mark. And I'm going to go in with Pumpkin, because I always use Pumpkin, so that's like signature for me. This is like really boring makeup, but like subtle makeup as well, but it works, with a mask. It works. I'm gonna go in with these eyelashes. I got them from Superdrugs. So eyelashes are done. Right, now time for my mask. I think I'm feeling quite blue. Maybe I'm feeling, no, I'm feeling quite pinkish. So let me just open up this bag. 100% silk, guys. So I've also got 2, don't know what this is. Is it a filter or pocket? You can put like lipstick in there. Hey, I'm gonna put lipstick in this. I'm gonna put lipstick in that. 100%. Or is it for a filter? I don't know. Maybe it's for a filter. I don't know. It's a pocket for something. Honey, I'm down. I'm down. And then this adjustable elastic bands for your ears. So it goes like this anyway. It's like this. The colour is really nice. 100% silk, guys. Oh wow. Okay, so just have to adjust it because my face is not that big, obviously. Which is good that it comes with these things, so you can adjust them. Woo! Ooh, yeah. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. And they also sell like different ones, like leopard print, in different colours. But I think you have to message them for like additional colours and just tell them like what type of mask you want, and then they do it for you. I've got a pink one and I've got a orange one in leopard. This is taking so long. Okay, here we go. And then they've got other things like yes, no, and flags like Nigerian flags, Jamaican flags, English flags. But yeah, this is so good. Covers like the whole of my face. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, honey. Yes, my mask. Ooh, so silky and so fine. Okay, let me take it off because I don't think anyone can hear it. It's so cute. I feel like wearing it as a like cover up for your eyes when you go to bed, like, you know. But yes, that's the mask. Prewtie Pumpkin. I'll leave the link down below and put in my discount code, which is Limo Killer 2020, and you'll get 20% off. And bear in mind, again, there are other different variation. With the leopard one, it doesn't actually have anything to adjust. I actually love this mask. I wear it like all the time. It fits. I mean, I didn't have any problems, and here it is here. And there we have it. It's come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching and seeing my eye makeup with, you know, how I slay with the mask. And please like, comment and subscribe and share this video amongst everyone you know. And I'll see you in the next video.